हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम एक्सरसाइज 7 कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, आई होप दैट यू हैड वॉच माय प्रीवियस वीडियो, राइट? वी हैड ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड एक्सरसाइज 7. We had solved few sums. Okay, today we will continue. This is the part 4 of exercise 7. Okay, so let's start with question number 16. Okay, so the question number 16 is integration of e raised to 3 log x raised to 4 plus 1 whole raised to minus 1. Okay, now see, remember that property e raised to log x, this is equal to x. Here it is e raised to 3 log x. So in logarithm, the 3 that is multiplied here will go to the power. Clear? So now this, if it is x raised to, sorry, it's 3, not 4. So if it is x raised to 3, this will become x raised to 3. So this will be equal to x cube upon, now see, it's minus 1. So when it goes to denominator, the power will be plus 1. X raised to 4 plus 1 dx. See, now it's very simple. When you will assume x raised to 4 plus 1 as t, what will be its derivative? Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. I'm already having x cube, right? So what I will do? I will assume let x raised to 4 plus 1 equal to t. That implies when I will differentiate it, 4x cube will be equal to, sorry, 4x cube dx, this will be equal to dt. So what will be x cube dx? Dt by 4. Clear? So now let's replace it. I will be equal to here. Sorry, here. X cube dx, that is dt by 4 upon x raised to 4 plus 1, it's t. So what is the integration of 1 by t dt? Log t. Log t plus c. Now just put down the value of t. So what we had assumed t, x raised to 4 plus 1 plus c. Clear? So this is our answer. Okay? So it's very simple sum. Just go through question number 16. Let's move to the next one. That is question number 17. Integration of f dash ax plus b, f of ax plus b whole raised to n dx. Okay, so now see, here it is f dash ax plus b and here it is f of ax plus b. So what I can do, I can assume this. What I will do, see, let f of ax plus b equal to t. Okay, so now see, when I will differentiate it, okay, this will become f dash into d by dx of, right? So what is d by dx of ax plus b? A. So I write it down directly. A dx, this is equal to dt. So what is f dash ax plus b dx? This will be equal to dt by a. Clear? So now what I will do, I will replace it here. So our integral I will be equal to integration. See what is f dash ax plus b dx It's dt by a. So 1 by a dt. What is f of ax plus b? T. So it will be t raised to n. Now integration of t raised to n, t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Now just put down the value of t. So what is the value of t? F of ax plus b. So this will be equal to 1 by a whole raised to m plus 1 upon m plus 1 plus c. Here I am repeating what we had done. We had assumed f of ax plus b as t. So when we differentiate it, f dash ax plus b into d by dx of ax plus b a. And this will be dt. So now I have just replaced this value in the question and solve it. Okay? So just go through question number 17. Okay, let's move to the next one. Question number 18. Question number 18 is integration of 1 upon square root of sine cube x into sine x plus alpha. Clear? So just put a tick mark. This is very important question. It can be asked in 4 marks. See, integration of 1 upon square root of sine cube x into sine x plus alpha. Okay, so now see here, we can use the property sine alpha plus beta. What was it? SCCS. Clear? So let's start. This is our integral. This will be equal to sine cube x. SCCS means sine x cos alpha plus cos x sine alpha dx. Okay, sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha dx. Now see, you can see, and this is in the square root. Okay, now you can see here there is sine cube x. If I get one more sin x, it will be sine raised to 4x and square root. So it will be sine square x. So what I will do, I will take sin x common. Now here there is no sin x. So what I can do, multiply by sin x, divide by sin x. Right, so what will be cos by sin x? Cot x. Or else, what I will do, sin cube x into sin x. I have taken this common. So what will be this? Cos alpha. Sin x is common plus cos x sin alpha by sin x dx. Okay, I divide sin x. See, we have already done this type earlier, right? When you cannot take common, what we are doing? We are dividing. Okay, so sin x into cos x, sin x cos x. Sin x into cos sin gets cancelled, cos x sin alpha. So this will be equal to, and again, this is in the square root. 1 upon, this will be sin raised to 4x. Okay, and this will be cos x plus cot x sin alpha. Cos by sin, that is cot x. Clear? So now see, this is sine raised to 4. If I will just remove the square root, it will be sine square x, right? And what is 1 by sine square x? Cos x square x. So our integral will be in this way. Cos x square x upon, now see I have already taken the sine square x outside. So 1 by sine square x, cos x square x. Cos x plus cot x cos sine alpha. Sorry, it's cos alpha, not cos x. Cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha. Clear? Now see, when you will think cos alpha constant, sine alpha constant. So what is the derivative of cot x? Minus cos x square x. And we are having cos x square x, right? So see, I am solving here. D by dx of cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha. So derivative of cos alpha is 0. Sine alpha is this is 0. Sine alpha constant. And this minus cos x square x. So minus sine alpha cos x square x. Right? So what is remaining? Minus sine alpha. Right? Now see, if I get minus sine alpha in the numerator, this will be f dash x and this will be fx. So what I can do? Divide by minus sine alpha multiplied by minus sine alpha cos x square x upon cos alpha plus cot alpha sine alpha, sorry, cot x sine alpha raised to 1 by 2 dx. So when this goes in the numerator, right, it will be minus 1 by 2. So this will be fx, this will be f dash x, same this way. Minus 1 by sine alpha cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha raised to minus 1 by 2 d by dx of cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha, right? This here minus 1 by 2, and instead of this I have written d by dx. So fx raised to n f dash x. So what is the integration of fx raised to n f dash x? Fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this will be minus 1 by sine alpha cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. Clear? So what will be this? This 2 gets in the numerator, minus 2 by sine alpha square root, right? 1 by 2, so it is square root. It's like this way. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So it's 1 by 2. Now let's put cot alpha as, cot x is equal to cos x upon sin x into sine alpha. So here taking LCM, this will be minus 2 by sine alpha cos alpha into sin x, or sin x into cos alpha, plus cos x into sin alpha upon sin x plus c. I just forgot to put plus c. So now see here, s c c s. This is the formula for sine alpha plus beta. So I is equal to minus 2 by sine alpha square root of sine x plus alpha upon sine x plus c. Okay, clear? So it's very important sum. It's of 4 marks. Okay, See, I'm repeating it. Question number 18 is 1 upon sine cube x upon sine x plus alpha. What we had done, we had used this as sine x cos x upon cos x sine plus cos x sine x. SCCX, right? Sine x cos x plus cos x sine alpha. Sorry, my mistake. Sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. We had taken sin x common, so it's sin raised to 4x. So 1 by sin raised to 4x cos x square x. Okay, so this will be cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha. This taking as a function, its derivative is minus sin x cos x square x, right? So we had used the formula fx f dash x, and then fx is to m plus 1, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, and then we have just put cot x as use cot x as cos by sine, take an LCM here SCCS. Okay, so very important sum of 4 marks. Just go through this question. Next is question number 19, that is integration of sine inverse root x minus cos inverse root x upon sine inverse root x plus cos inverse root x dx. Okay, now see, this is very important sum again. Okay, it can be also asked in 4 marks. Okay, now see how we will start. We will use the property that we had used in inverse trigonometry. What is the property? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. It was equal to pi by 2. So see here in denominator, we can directly replace it by pi by 2. So I'm using this sin inverse root x plus cos inverse root x is equal to pi by 2. So what will be our integral? Now see, instead of cos inverse root x, what I can use? Pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. So sin inverse root x minus pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x upon pi by 2. So instead of this, I can write it down pi by 2. Clear? So now sin inverse x minus minus plus. So 2 sin inverse root x minus pi by 2 upon pi by 2 dx. So let's separate it. 2 sin inverse root x upon pi by 2 dx minus pi by 2 by pi by 2 1 dx. So this will be 2 to the 4 by pi. I am taking it outside. Sin inverse root x dx minus integration of, what is integration of 1 dx? X. Let's name it as 1. See, we will select this as I dash. Now we'll separate it, we will solve it separately. So let's see, I dash is equal to integration of sine inverse root x dx. Now see here, it's root x. Okay, so I want to remove this square root. So what I will do, I will assume x as t square. Okay, so let's assume x equal to t square. So when we differentiate it, this will imply dx is equal to 2t dt. Clear? So now our integral I dash will be equal to integration of sine inverse instead of root x t instead of dx 2t dt 2 t dt. Now, how can you solve it? We will solve it by integration by parts. uv. This I will assume as u as v according to Liate. So, 2. Now, what is the formula? U as it is means sine inverse t integration of v. So, integration of t is t square by 2 minus integration of u derivative of u. So what is derivative of sine inverse x? 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Here it is t. So 1 upon square root of 1 minus t square into integration of t square by 2 dt. Right? Now see, when we multiply these two inside, this will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. So let's multiply it. T square sine inverse t minus 2 gets cancelled. So now only remaining t square, and in denominator it's, so now see how I am rearranging. It's t square. I am writing 1 minus t square plus 1 dt. Now see, sorry, not plus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus t, it's plus. And here it is negative. So what I will do, I will change this sign. So now plus minus, minus. And we had rearranged. So now separate it. T square sine inverse t plus integration 1 minus t square upon square root of 1 minus t square, it will be square root of 1 minus t square dt minus integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus t square dt. Clear? So now I can solve this. Integration of square root of a square minus x square, integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square, right? So we'll use this formula. So I dash will be equal to t square sine inverse t plus. So now what is this formula? X by a, sorry, x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by. Here it is t, so t by 2 1 minus t square. Clear? Plus a square by 2. So what is a? 1. 1 by 2 sine inverse x by a. Here it is t by 1. And what is integration of 1 upon root of 1 minus x square? That is equal to sine inverse x by a. So this will be minus sine inverse t by 1 plus c. Now see here, plus 1 by 2 sine inverse t minus 1 sine inverse t. So it's minus 1 by 2 sine inverse t square sine inverse t. So I will take sine inverse t common from this. So it will be equal to sine inverse t square minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus t by 2 square root of 1 minus t square. Okay, plus c. Okay, now it's time to replace the value of t. We had assumed x equal to t square, so t will be equal to square root of x sine inverse root x minus 1 by 2. This will be root x root of 1 minus x plus c, because t square is equal to x. We will take LCM. This 2x minus 1 by 2 sine inverse root x plus, I will multiply this, root x minus x square by 2 plus c. Now this is I dash, not our final answer. Remember, we have to replace here. So I will be equal to 4 by pi. Multiply by this. So into 2x minus 1 by 2 sine inverse root x plus again multiply this also 4 by pi x minus x square by 2 minus x plus c. So I will be equal to it will get cancelled 2 into 2x minus 1 by pi sine inverse root x plus 2 by pi x minus x square minus x plus c. Okay, so mark it down. It is very important sum. It can be asked in 4 marks. I'm repeating how we have started. We had used the property of inverse trigonometry. Okay, that is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Solve it and we get this. Now we separated integration of sine inverse root x as I dash. Second step, we assume root x as t means x equal to t square and then integration by parts. Third, we had rearranged here t square 1 minus t square minus 1 and here we have changed the sign. Clear? Then we had integrated it. Finally, we replace the value of t and then put this in equation number 1. I can write down here from 1. Okay, so just go through question number 19. Okay, let's move to the next. That is question number 20. Question number 20 is integration of square root of 1 minus root x upon 1 plus root x dx. Okay, let me check the question. 1 minus root x, 1 plus. Okay, it's correct. Okay, so now see 1 minus root x, 1 plus root x. What we can do here, we can assume x as cos square theta, right? See 1 minus cos square theta upon 1 plus cos square theta. Sorry, root. So 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So let's start. This is also important sum. It can be also asked in 4 mark. Let x equal to cos square theta. So what will be derivative dx 2 cos theta? Derivative of cos theta minus sin theta d theta. Okay. So now how will be our integral? Integration of root of 1 minus cos square theta 1 plus, sorry, not cos square, cos theta into minus 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Clear? So now this will be equal to minus 2. Okay, 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2, right? Or else 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos square theta, 10 square theta by 2. So 10 square theta by 2 root 10 theta by 2. Okay, now here it is sin theta into cos theta, right? So what I can do, 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta d theta. Clear? So now why I have done this? Because tan theta by 2 I can convert it into sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. These two, it will come out. So sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta d theta. So cos theta by 2 and cos theta by 2 gets cancelled. I'm repeating. See what I had done? Instead of sine theta, I had used 2 sine theta cos theta formula, sine to theta. So it's theta, so divided by 2. Okay, cos theta else it is. Why I had done this? Because I'm having here angle tan theta by 2, so I can cancel this cos theta by 2. So now this will be minus 4 sine theta by 2 into sine theta by 2 sine square theta by 2 cos theta d theta. Now I got sine square theta by 2. Now we know whenever there is sine square, we are converting into cos, means 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here's theta by 2, so 1 minus cos theta by 2. Right? I will use this formula. Sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So here our integral will be equal to minus 4 instead of sin square theta by 2. Theta it's 2 theta, it's theta by 2, so double cos theta by 2 into cos theta d theta. Okay, let me erase this. So now 2 ones are 2 twos are, let's multiply it. Cos theta minus cos square theta d theta. Again cos square theta. So again I will replace it 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos theta minus 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Now let's take LCM. 2 cos theta minus 1 minus plus minus. So again 2 gets cancelled. So this will be equal to minus. What is integration of cos theta? Sin theta. So 2 sin theta. Integration of 1 theta. Integration of cos 2 theta sin 2 theta upon 2 plus c. Right? So now let's multiply this minus sign. It's minus 2 sine theta plus theta plus, again instead of sine 2 theta, I can write it down 2 sine theta cos theta by 2 plus c. See what I done? Minus minus plus. And instead of sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. Right? So now I have to replace the value of theta. Now see, when I will see here, x equal to cos square theta. So what does this mean? Cos theta will be equal to root x. So cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse. So this will be root of 1 minus root x square. So 1 minus x. So now from this triangle I can put the value of sin theta and cos theta. So I will be equal to minus 2. What is sin theta? Root 1 minus x upon x. So it will be, what is theta? Cos inverse root x. Sin theta cos theta plus c. See what is cos theta? Root x. Okay, root x by 1. Sorry, my mistake. Upon 1. Sin theta root 1 minus x by 1. So this will be your answer. So this is minus 2 1 minus x plus cos inverse root x plus, multiply this, x minus x square plus c. Okay, clear? I'm repeating what we had done in starting. We had assumed x as cos square theta, right? So this is dx. So what is 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta? Tan square theta by 2 and square root, so tan theta by 2. Right? Replace the sine theta, 2 sine theta by cos theta by 2, and we get this. So now there is sine square, we convert it into 1 minus cos theta by 2. Clear? Multiplied it again cos square, we use this formula 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. And then integrate it. Now, after this, we have to replace the value. So I form the triangle based on our assumption. Right? And put the value of theta, sine theta, and cos theta. And this is your answer. So just go through this question. This can be asked in 4 marks. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll continue with this exercise in our next video lecture. Okay, thank you.